Now, the sexual assault charge against Kobe Bryant could change the rules of the bedroom in Hollywood. Pat Lalama says some celebs may ask their partners to sign on the dotted line before making time.
The case of Kobe Bryant is changing the rules. Other celebrities have to be wondering how they can protect themselves from charges of sexual misconduct. And Dr. Ava Cadell, sex therapist to the stars, says she has a unique answer.
I would advise a client that has a lot to lose: money, reputation, even his family, if he's being unfaithful, to use a sexual consent form to protect himself.
Dr. Cadell, a clinical psychologist and author, is telling her celebrity clients to get this sexual consent form signed before they get their Mac up, and she's not kidding.
Unfortunately, our world has come to something like a sexual consent form, but it's no different than a prenup.
Although Dr. Cadell isn't naming names, she says several of her high-profile clients are already using the form. There are 2 versions available for download on her website, www.avacadell.com.
It says, by initialing this, I agree to engage in all or some of the following consensual acts. And then you check and initial each box. There's sexual fondling, petting, and kissing. There's sexual intercourse, oral copulation, either mutual or unilateral. And then the last box is other.
But can celebrities really count on this piece of paper to keep them out of trouble? Hollywood attorney Joseph Hart specializes in entertainment contracts. He says one part of the sexual consent form really will protect celebrities.
That's the part that deals with privacy. This contract is legal to the extent that it keeps the other person from disclosing private facts about the sexual behavior of the other person.
But Attorney Hart says the most crucial part of this contract has problems. The part that reads, I further agree to not change my mind before the sex act is over.
Just because there's a contract doesn't mean that every part of the contract is enforceable. A person can always change their mind.
Well, in a court of law, they can pull any contract to pieces, even a will or a prenup. But it's better to have something than nothing signed.
Cadell's consent form even allows a person to indicate specifically which acts of sex they agree to. But cops in LA's sexual assault unit remind us, once someone ignores a request to stop, no contract will keep the assailant out of the grip of the law.